In this step-by-step tutorial, viewers will learn how to replace an outdated or broken doorknob, and even install a matching deadbolt, for a clean, secure, and modern look. Whether upgrading for style or security, this simple DIY can make a big impact. Start by gathering the tools: a Phillips screwdriver, flathead screwdriver, optional power drill, and the new knob or lock set. If adding a deadbolt, include a drill with a hole saw or a door lock installation kit. Be sure the hardware matches the door's thickness and back set. To remove the old knob, locate the screws on the interior side. Unscrew them completely, then pull the two halves of the knob apart. Next, remove the latch mechanism by unscrewing the faceplate on the edge of the door. If the screws are stripped, use a rubber band or screw extractor for added grip. Insert the new latch into the door edge, making sure the angled side faces the direction the door closes. Screw it into place, ensuring it's flush with the door. Feed the exterior knob through the latch opening, then align the interior knob so it connects with the rod or spindle. Once aligned, screw both halves together tightly. Check that the knob turns smoothly and that the latch extends and retracts cleanly. To install a deadbolt, measure about 6-12 inches above the doorknob. Using a lock installation jig and hole saw, drill the face hole and edge bore for the bolt. Insert the bolt mechanism, then attach both exterior and interior sides of the deadbolt, just like with the knob. Tighten everything securely, then test the key and thumb turn. Be sure the deadbolt lines up with the strike plate on the door frame. Finish by checking the alignment of the latch and deadbolt with the strike plates on the door frame. If needed, adjust or replace the strike plates for smooth operation. Reinforcing with longer screws can also boost security. In just a few easy steps, the door is more secure, modern, and functional. Replacing hardware doesn't require a pro. It just takes a few tools, some patience, and the right parts. If this tutorial was helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more DIY home upgrades, and check out our next video on smart lock installs and door alignment tips.